Welcome, today in front of me Honor 9E, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration section. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your ringtone, swipe with this white dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got here the second way how we can do that. You just should press to your volume buttons, one from the volume buttons, but first be sure that here on the default volume button control you get selected the ringtone, not media, because by pressing here on the sound you'll change the ringtone volume. And now just by press on the down volume button you can mute your ringtone by this way. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.